It would be interesting.
Cook like Ukrainians.
Hi guys. Today I'm going to tell you something about my Soviet Union childhood and about USSR cakes. It should be interesting. Watch this video till the end.
Вафельний торт зі згущеним молоком. When you look at the photographs of your childhood, at your young and loving father and mother, when you remember all your hopes and happy moments, the temptation to romanticize that period is enormous. The period that fell on the existence of the Soviet Union. I was born in 1979.
Говорит Москва. Работают все радиостанции Советского Союза.
But everything was a lie. The best quality Soviet Union lies. Empty shelves. Huge queues when at least something was brought to the shops. But the main thing is the complete devaluation of the individual. Two realities existed simultaneously, a false ideological and an honest practical one. The complete absence of democracy, which was presented as the triumph of democracy. Disregard for human rights, persecution of dissent, mass killings and terror, and inhuman society based on the class principle. Punitive repressive mechanisms with political prisoners, mental institutions and concentration camps. And against the background of all this, false picture of happiness and the triumph of humanism. Iron Curtain. Severe cultural censorship. But what's with the cake, you think? A cake of condensed milk and waffles was cooked because it was one of the cheapest. But for my son and me, this cake already has a different meaning. For me, this is an association with my childhood. And for Platon, the opportunity to eat condensed milk and to cook a cake with mom.
Давай, ставь.
Какое же у меня сегодня хорошее настроение.
Посмотри на меня. Ой, какой ты хороший. Набирай водичку.
Подписчики!
Платон! Платон!
Гей! Гей!
Cook like Ukrainians. Subscribe and click the bell. More videos coming soon.